Hi everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about what are the companies are using Python programming language. So, what are the top companies are using Python programming language? So, have a look at in Google itself. So, just type top companies that use Python. So, look at here some of the images I have shown here. So, see the companies are using Python. So, Quora, so Dropbox, IBM, even NASA also using Python programming language, and YouTube, Spotify, Pinterest, Uber, Reddit, and Google, Elf. So these are the EDX. So these are the top companies where Python programming language are using. Okay. At the same time, there are so many companies are using Python as a programming language. So to develop their web applications and mobile applications, or whatever it may be, to maintain their companies, to maintain their web apps, so they are using a Python programming language. So there are so many things also. They see here these are the top tech companies using Python. Google. So one of the most Google search engine is Google. Okay, and NASA and Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft. Even Microsoft also using Python, and Facebook, IBM, Instagram, Quora, Reddit. So these are the top tech companies using Python programming language. Okay, so one of the most market trending programming language is Python nowadays because it is very simple programming language and very easy to learn. Even a non-technical background also can easily learn a Python programming language. So that's why everyone prefer to develop their applications or softwares. They prefer very simple language nowadays. So the simple programming language that is nothing but um, Python programming language. So compared to Java, C++, it is very easy to learn. It looks like it's not look like a programming language. It looks like a English statements. You just to read the English statement. You feel that you are reading English lines instead of programming language. Okay, so that's why it is very popular in this century as a Python programming language. Okay, see some of the companies also we are seeing here: Mozilla, Instagram, Dropbox, Amazon, Yahoo. Even Yahoo also using Python programming language. Okay, so that's why it is a very popular programming language nowadays. Okay, so thank you for watching.